So I got a couple of quick tips for you for the Ninja Woodfire grill. Let's go take a look. This is my Ninja Woodfire grill, and I've got this nice cover on it. I use this to kind of keep the dew off of it. There we go. And I use this when I've got it in the back of the truck for storage to keep all the non-dew stuff off of it. But I got a couple of things I want to show you about this besides just the cover. There is this tray in the back here. Check this out. This is by Infra Ovens, and it is a silicone grease collector. So now I can wipe this thing out and continue to reuse it. And you know, silicone is heat resistant and whatnot, and that is a perfect fit to go down in there. And then I got another trick for you. This up here tells you you're supposed to use the robust blend and the all-purpose blend that comes straight from Ninja. I got a big trick for you. All right, so back here, and it'll fit in any one of the storage compartments, but this is just the one that I use. It looks a lot like a 5-gallon spackle bucket, 5-gallon painter's bucket, but it is not 5 gallons. It's the next size smaller, but it has the same size opening on top. And then what I have on top here is what's called a gamma seal lid, and this just makes it really easy to get into and get out of and keep closed. And then this is just a big 20-pound bag of food grade wood pellets that I got from Walmart. And this stuff here works just fine in the Ninja. So that's from the last time that I was smoking up something. And we're going to be smoking up something again here pretty soon. Last up is to get you a really good heavy-duty extension cord, because you might be tempted to use this, and this might work for you, but this didn't work for me. This circuit wasn't strong enough to power the grill. And so here is one more tip for you. If you like to go camping at campgrounds, most of the pedestals have a 20 amp plug in it. Let me show you. So this is a regular campground pedestal here for you. And you can see that there are 3 plugs, the 50, the 30, which I'm plugged into, and the white GFI ground fault circuit interrupter for 20 amps. And then your breakers, the one on the left, the 2 switches connected together is a 50, the one in the middle is a 30, and the one on the far right is a 20. You might not be able to see it on the camera, but it says 20 amps on it. And a lot of times you'll see 20 amps feeding a circuit like this, but you can tell because the one side has that little T shape and the other side is the vertical, that it is a 20 amp plug. And then I just plug right into that for my Ninja grill. So I've got some cookies to make right now. Did you know you can make cookies on the Ninja Woodfire grill? You can, and they're amazing. And it's a lot better than using your RV's built-in oven. I will leave some links in the description down below for some of the accessories and things that I mentioned in the video here for you. And be sure you are subscribed to see more Ninja Woodfire grill cooking tips. I got some smoked bacon wrapped jalapeno poppers coming up. See you then.